Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. Welcome everyone, esteemed Dr. Rasha and Dr. Hameidan. I'm glad to have you here today. In the semester 443 program, Training for Diploma Instructors, exploring Blackboard teaching, focus on course reports, grading, feedback, identify struggling students, review performance dashboard. Today's training is specifically for you as instructors of the distance learning diploma program, so we can look at the teaching aspect through the Blackboard e-learning management system. Specifically, the title of today's training is Activating Electronic Course Reports and the Grading Center and the Feedback Center, God willing. Today we will focus on the key points we will work on together. We will look at the Monitoring Center, where we will start to identify the struggling students. We will also check the Performance Dashboard, which will show us the students' activity and the course reports. These reports will indicate the students' engagement within the course and the content areas. Then we will move on to the Grading Center, God willing. And the Nutrition Center, God willing, today means the axis that we will work on and see together, which is that we will see together the follow-up center, and through it, we will begin to see the struggling students or the struggling students with us. And we will see the performance information board, through which we will see the students' activity. The course reports, which are comprehensive and detailed, also show us the students' activity within the course and within the content areas of the course, providing valuable insights into their engagement and participation. And then we have the grading center, God willing. In the very beginning, we are now, but Dr. Rasha, if there are any questions or concerns or anything, Dr. Hameidan, if there are any questions or any other issues, because colleagues are still joining us for the training. So if there are any questions or anything regarding Blackboard, we can discuss it. Please go ahead, Dr. Rasha.
Peace be upon you. Welcome, Doctor. I just want to confirm if we will address the issue of tracking absences or not, because I've noticed that I have 2 sections listed on my page now, and their numbers are large. Do I need to record their absences on my university page or on Blackboard? It's not my responsibility regarding the absences, right?
Regarding attendance in the virtual class, right? Yes, that's correct. The virtual class has a report that shows up in the virtual sessions, and based on the attendance of the students who are present with you, you record the absences and attendance. So how can I just track the absences on my page, Doctor? That's my question, because the number is large.
Right now I have 2 sections. Section 100, and there are over 130 students in each.
How can I just track the absences? The number is really large. First, let's go back to Dr. Mohammed Jabir and look at this specific point, particularly the issue of the number of students. What do I understand from this part? Because ideally, there shouldn't be that many students in the virtual class.
Did a merge happen? These 2 groups, these 2 sections have courses in the schedule at the same time?
This is my first time teaching a diploma program online, so I'm worried there might be a mistake. No. In that case, you should go back to the coordinator in the applied college to discuss this issue with her and resolve it. Because how can you give 2 lectures for 2 different sections at the same time? It's not a strange situation. It's the same course, of course.
Blackboard can't handle a large number, can accommodate about 130 or 100 in 2 sections. Are you going to open 2 virtual classes at the same time, or merge the 2 sections into one? I think I need to merge them. If so, he will understand, meaning there is none, but there are 2, haha, meaning approximately 300.
Let's say 52. No, it can handle it. Here's the point. Are you going to open 2 virtual classes at the same time? Or are you going to merge the 2 sections into one and open just one virtual class? What are you going to do with the 2 options? I think I need to merge them. So whether you merge them, it will be 130 and 130, which makes 260. That's a large number. If each section is separate, 130 is still a big number. Therefore, it's best for you to go back to the relevant coordinator. in the applied college and check if the schedule is correct or not, just to confirm, because there might be a mistake. Or if there's something specific, make sure to clarify this point first.
I'll go back to the question, Doctor. As for attendance, we take it just like we do for regular attendance.
Regarding the issue of absences, honestly, I don't have any information about it, to be fair, because I haven't looked into it. I don't want to say something I don't know, but I expect that, or you, being the one in charge at the applied college, might have more insight. These kinds of matters are usually better addressed by the college. Here, we're focusing on the technical issues.
Okay, thank you very much, and please continue. But I want to remind some of the attendees or participants that I expect some students to join us. If you are alert, Doctor, please and thank you. Here with us now, or not available to students.
Is Dr. Rabia a student? Today's meeting is for faculty only. Students, please exit and join your meeting. Any Blackboard issues? I'm here for questions. Dr. Hamidan, go ahead. Just to remind everyone, thank you. Regarding today's meeting that we're in right now, this is a special meeting for professors only, for faculty members only. So, for anyone who joined us and is a student, please kindly exit this meeting and join the one designated for students. Thank you. Now, while I'm with you, is there any issue you're facing regarding the technical side of Blackboard? I'm here for any questions. Okay, Dr. Hamidan, go ahead. Okay, so right now, while I'm with you, is there any issue you're facing regarding the technical side of Blackboard? I'm here for any questions. Dr. Hamidan, please go ahead. Peace be upon you. And peace be upon you too, Doctor. I have a series of questions regarding the content on the Blackboard page.
So far, the classes are not showing up on Blackboard right now.
Yeah, the classes haven't been linked to you right now at the moment.
The classes are not available on Blackboard, but they are available on the website. Yes, definitely.
Well, I don't think any of the colleagues, the professors in the diploma program, have seen the classes show up yet. Dr. Rasha, Dr. Rabia, have any classes appeared for you so far?
No, Doctor, that's why I reached out to you on WhatsApp yesterday. I was the one who asked you on WhatsApp about the linking issue. And regarding your question about whether we have problems, we haven't linked it yet. So we can understand Blackboard for the diploma programs and know the issues or questions we have. All right. All right.
No, generally, the concept of Blackboard is unified. The classes and their courses. No, thank God.
I walked with him in the bachelor's program 3 years ago, and thank God I hope we all understand the topic.
All right, God willing. Okay, let's join together. Go ahead, Dr. Hamidan, please.
Regarding the lecture time, there's almost one section here, meaning one section has 170 students and another section has 130 students. They combine together because I remember Blackboard accommodates only up to 250, not more. It can even reach 1,000, so the last number for the section I'm telling you is that it is hot